Today we're going to be looking at the Freewell ND filters for the Mavic 2 Zoom, so stay tuned. What's up everyone, welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on notifications at the end of this video. So earlier this week, Freewell sent out some ND filters for the Mavic 2 Zoom. Now they sent out the all day filters, which includes a set of 8 ND filters. You have 5 polarizing filters and 3 normal ND filters. And the ND filters range anywhere from ND4 all the way up to ND64. Open the box this time around, you'll notice that Freewell has decided to break the filters out into 2 separate packages. I guess you can put polarizing filters in one and the normal filters in the other. Freewell has really stepped up the quality game with these filters. They are now using a double side multi-coated glass, which in theory should increase saturation and help with contrast as well without really overdoing it. In the past, I've really been a fan of the images that Freewell filters have produced, and I really didn't notice a big difference from that of like Polar Pro. On the brim of the filter itself, you're going to notice that it is ribbed. Now these ribs will make it easier to get the filter on and off. I know for me, being in environments where sometimes my hands get wet or it's humid, a normal filter without a rib brim will be a little bit harder to get on and off, but these make it really super easy. On the polarizing filter, you'll now notice that there is a laser etch mark that will indicate how to align the polarizing filter. I think this is a great inclusion, and I think more lens companies need to start doing this. The stock gimbal guard has absolutely no issue with working with these filters, so thumbs up for that. So the big question is, how do these perform? Well, really well actually. I was actually pleasantly surprised. Overall, I noticed less glare in my shots and really no distortion while increasing the saturation ever so slightly. I think these actually performed a little bit better than my DJI filters that I had ordered. And yeah, so take a look at these clips. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna do some side-by-side comparisons between these filters and the DJI filter, and then also without a filter, so you can get a good gauge of what these are actually doing. Now, all in all, I'm really impressed with these all-day filters from Freewell Pro. I think they're fantastic value. Now, I know I said in my first video when I looked at the DJI filters, I said they were an amazing value, but that was before they increased the price. So the all-day filters net you 8 filters for $129, or you can just buy 4 filters for $69.99. And then Freewell also has its budget filter options, which I really don't know what's different with those. I'm assuming maybe the materials or possibly the lens is different. But $69.99 for 4 or $129 for 8, I don't think it's really a hard decision. Just, it's a no-brainer, really. The Freewell filters are your better value. I'll be sure to include links in the description below where you can check out these filters for yourself. They are available on Amazon. But I think that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Drop a like at the bottom of this video if you dug it. If you didn't, go ahead, hit that other button. As always, guys, stay original. I will catch you next time.